Hey guys, it's me Phoebe. And the last video I said I was gonna do a poopsie stand surprise. That's why I was gonna do it because it was sale. It was $500, but then it got not sale, so it was sad. I only got $500. Yeah, this is all I can afford right now. But let's unbox it. So let's get started. This is the zoobalooz. It's the purple balloon. So let's get started. I'm so excited. This was only $399. Sorry about the key. Perfect circuit. Okay, there's another layer. Let me just. Okay, here I found the zipper. Okay, no. Big guys. See. Oh, it popped. But it has holes. Oh, what's this? What's this? What's this? What is this? I don't know. I don't know how to do these. I haven't watched these. So yeah. Let's open this one first. I don't know. We got some stickers. Let's open this big bag. I haven't opened these, so I'm really curious. Oh my goodness. Okay, you're gonna pop it like that, and it's a bear. And we have a stand for the, I don't know what. Oh, here's the stand for, and we have a blue pearlescent bear. So let's see who we got. I'm so excited, guys. These are so cute. I have a rare one, which is metallic. It's teddy bear. Yeah, I got a rare one, guys. Over there. That's rare. Wow. Not bad for one try. So let's see him. He's metallic. He's so cute. And by the way, guys, happy Valentine's Day. I love this. Oh my god, he's squishy. Okay. Good thing because it's Valentine's Day. Okay, so I'm gonna pop it. Oh, first you need to shake it. It says shake. And then pop, and then drop, and then pop. I'm scared, guys. I'm scared. I'm scared, guys. I'm scared. How do you pop this? Oh, there. It's... Ah! That scared me. Okay, there's a lot of confetti, guys. Look at these confettis. I want you to see all this confetti going on here. That's what's going on. The confetti is all over. Woo! Here's the balloon. Oh, that's airy. That's so cool. It said fun. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, how do you display these? Oh my god, this. I can't. Oh, there you go. Wait. I don't know how to display it. But here's teddy bear. Not bad. Rare. Not bad for one try. Actually, I'm gonna try putting this. So, wait. Guys, I tried doing it, but it's possible. I think there's something inside. There's something inside, but I don't want to pop it. Do you need to pop it? I don't know. Comment down below if I need to pop it. And here's the teddy bear. It's rare. That's why I like it so much. It's metallic. There's a lot of confetti, and I don't know if I can open this. And I can't display it, and yeah. So, this is all we got. Okay, here's the balloon. It's color purple. Oopsie. Color purple, sorry about Paquita. We got some confetti here. We got the rare teddy bear. We have the balloon. We have the balloon. And that's all we got. So guys, comment down below if you want me to do some more of these. There's Webe the Great over there drinking water. And happy Valentine's. I'm so happy I got a rare teddy bear. So bye guys.